And then it gives you just a whole list of all different books that you could go through. Let's just choose all kinds of pieces. So you just click on the book. It gives you a little synopsis of what it's about. Like I said before, since I do print the physical books, you can if you want, but you most certainly do not have to because it will be all online for you. If you're going to print the books for the kids and put them together, just do single-sided books. Right over here, click on that and it'll print out easier for you. And then if you want, you could listen to it on the computer itself. You just go to this, you click on listen, play.
All Kinds of Faces.
And it'll go
written
right
by
through the book for you. You could do that. You could read it. And then there's a quiz. I mean, I don't ever really do the quizzes with them, but what I will do is I will highlight the words that are frequent in the book. So the high frequency words will be is and this. And then just really put a big emphasis on all these story words. And then you go down here, all the different worksheets that you can find. I suggest after reading the book with the kids, go to all worksheets. Oh, it's down here. It's going to go into your download, so just gotta watch out for that. You can print these and you could just do the worksheets with them. They make it really simple for you on Reading A to Z to have all that material after reading the book, which is great. Since all the kids are on different levels, you guys know your kids, so just, you know, whether they need full physical prompting, whether they need verbal prompting, like you do whatever you think they need. If anybody has any questions about the individualized instruction part of things, like please email me. I can give you guys some tips. You're gonna see some of this stuff is a little bit more difficult for our kids. So, you know, you could print out these, you could do receptive identification of pictures, you can color with them.